Worksheet 1 of chapter Mensuration for class 8. This exercise related to the area of trapezium. Okay. First we know about the area of trapezium. The formula of area of trapezium is 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. The question number 1. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 and 33 centimeter and the distance between them is 13 centimeter. Trapezium is a type of quadrilateral whose one pair is parallel sides. ये एक साइड क्या होती है आपस में पैरेलल. अगर इस तरीके से भी है और आप दो साइड आपस में पैरेलल हैं तो ये भी शेप क्या कहलाएगी? ट्रेपेजियम शेप, ट्रेपेजॉइड. ये है इसकी सम ऑफ पैरेलल. फॉर्मूला होता है इसके एरिया का, एरिया इक्वल टू सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स. सपोज इसकी दो पैरेलल साइड्स हैं ए एंड बी, तो सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स यानी ए प्लस बी इंटू हाइट. हाइट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पैरेलल लाइन्स. दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पैरेलल साइड्स. तो फॉर्मूला हम लोग यहां लिखते हैं 1 by 2 सम ऑफ, ये मैंने ए एंड बी नाम दिया है, सम ऑफ पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू डिस्टेंस यानी परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस between parallel lines. Okay, this is the formula of area of trapezium. Now the question number 1. In question number 1, given that two parallel sides 57 centimeter and other is 33 centimeter and the distance between these two parallel sides is 13 centimeter. Now find the area. Right, area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. Sum of parallel side means 57 plus 33 into height is 13. Okay. Now add 1 by 2. First solve the bracket. Okay. 57 plus 33 is 90 into 13. Now divide by 2. It is equal to the 45. 45 into 13. 13 की टेबल से आप कर सकते हैं. 13 into 5 65. 6 carry. 13 for 52 plus 6 58. 585 centimeter square. This is the area of trapezium. Question number 2. The area of trapezium is 850 square centimeter. Out of the parallel side is 64 centimeter and the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is 17. Find the length of other parallel side. In which question? In this question the area is 850 centimeter, 850 square centimeter. एक पैरेलल साइड दी हुई है 64, हाइट दी हुई है और हमको क्या निकालनी है? दूसरी पैरेलल साइड. ओके. In this question the one parallel side A equal to 64 centimeter. Okay. The area is given that 850 square centimeter and the height is yani distance between two parallel sides is 17. Now find the B, other side. Okay. Use the formula of area 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. Here 850 equal to 1 by 2. A is given that 64 plus B into H is 17. Cross multiplication 64 plus B, bracket this side, cross multiply means 850 into 2 and the divide by 17. Okay, cancel by 17, it is equal to the 50. 50 into 2 100. It means 64 plus B equal to 100. Therefore B equal to 100 minus 64, which is equal to the 36 centimeter. This is the length of other side. Question number 3. The area of trapezium is 1586 centimeter square and the sum of parallel sides is 122. Find the distance between two parallel sides. देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में एरिया भी दिया हुआ है, Sum of parallel side, it means A plus B equal to 122 centimeter. Just find the H. The area is given that 1586 centimeter square. And the sum of parallel sides, it means A plus B equal to 122 centimeter. Find the distance between them. It means find the H. Use the formula. Area equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. 1586 equal to 100, 1 by 2 into 122 into H. Now cancel by 2. It is equal to the 61. H equal to 1586 divided by 61. 61 is a prime number. So just divide by 2. Okay. So you will get 26 centimeter. Just long division perform 26 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 4. The question number 4 is, if the area of trapezium is 28 meter square and the two parallel sides are 8 meter and 60 decimeter respectively, find the altitude. In this question, area is given that 28 meter square. Okay. And the one side is given that is 8 meter. Other side is 60 decimeter. It means it is equal to the 6 meter. We know that 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. Okay. Decimeter. And find the distance between them or the altitude, the same thing. Using the formula, area equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into height. 28 equal to 1 by 2 6 plus 8 into H. H equal to 28 into 2 divided by 6 plus 8 14. 4 meter. Okay. The distance between them is 4 meter. Question number 5. Find the height of the trapezium whose area is 1080 centimeter square and length of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Simple question है. Area height निकालनी है हमको H. The area of trapezium is given that 1080 centimeter square. One side is 55.6 centimeter and other side is 34.4 centimeter. Find the height or the altitude or the distance between them. Same thing. Using the formula, same formula of area of trapezium. Okay. 1080 equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides 55.6 plus 34.4 into H. Now add, we get 90 into H. Cancel by 2, 45 and H equal to 1080 by 45. Now we can cancel by 9. 9 5s 9, 1 2 0. Now cancel by 5, 24, which is equal to the 24 centimeter. The question number 6. The area of trapezium is 12 square meter. If its height is 3 meter, find the sum of its parallel sides. Area equal to 12 meter square and height is given that 3 meter. Find the sum of parallel sides. It means A plus B. Find करना है हमको sum of parallel side. Just formula of area. Put the value 12 equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height is 3. Then the sum of parallel sides equal to cross multiply 2 into 12. Divide by 3. Cancel by 3, which is equal to the 8 meter. Okay, the sum of parallel sides is 8 meter. Yeah, question number 1 to 6 and next question 7 to 12 in the next video. Okay, thank you.